khambani i-Big 5 yesande
lesoganga
ubhale Sibusiso ubhale ubani ubhale la
Dragon
Dragon wavela wafana nayo ngeke
yena mangizwa bathi ukhule vele adef but i-disability nokungakwazi ukuzenzela izinto bekakhona so ubuya cause of mangizwa istory ukuthi bathi umamami was raped asase young kuze kuzoba nami and there's ubrother wami ongilamayo so makazodlengulwa kanjalo umamami akazange aphinda abe right
ya wena kahlahle uyabheda and usikhuluma kabi usibhekisa kabi ngomhlaba
and nakhona futhi bengicamba amanga ebantwini because mangizothi asimise clinic futhi ngiyobuza imibuzo so I would say yes siyamuyise clinic right unje knowing ukuthi ngicamba amanga.
So lento wena ik-affect kangakanani? Do you ever ask a question ukuthi kahle kahle vele that's why mhlawumbe izinto zingahlangani because ngi-product eyale violation?
Umama akezwa akakhuluma.
Yo.
So yes lento ingihlukumeze kakhulu ukuthi bengizibuza nami self ukuthi why it happened and why yenzeke kuye.
For the fact that uzwile mhlawumbe akubalekanga mhlawumbe uzwe ngobani uyabona
so abantu bake bavela vele bangitshela ukuthi no bebesaba ukungitshela and it's true it happened but not knowing ukuthi between the three uncles who is my father but they know ukuthi it happened.
Ibambe manje it gets deeper so balabo uncle phela abantwana abakhabo mamakho so ukhula nama siblings wakhe la
yes
so mamakho ngamanye amagama was violated by ama siblings
exactly.
wakhe umfowabo straight azalwa naye
yes brother blood
yes lo muntu bafethu uzwile ubuhlungu I think uNkulunkulu ngathi angamkhumbula lala
because there was a time where bekafuna ngamehlisa entambeni azangibuze so lento affecte kakhulu.
Yes. There are people abazelwe and there are people abazele but abanye abantu uthola ukuthi ababanga nenhlanhla. Istory sikaMalume, have you ever tried after u find out ukuthi no umama warejwa umntwana kubo so is there anything mhlambe oke wayenza wena in terms of confrontation balanda direct ukubuza ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani?
Yes ngabalanda direct ngabuza ngoba bayi3
yeah
I faced them ngoba lo umunye uboshiwe so kulethule iyo bengikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye then mangikhuluma nayo baqala ukungilwisa bangilwisa then ngagcina sengiyekela.
Uma sobalandelela bathi yenzeke kanjani lento?
Mangibalandelela mabayasho ukuthi no umuntu who used to do this the most ulo uboshiwe osejele manje she was the one obeka forced umama. I'm don't say from end because before sizohlala endlini we were staying in a shack. Naye he had a shack outside so there were two shacks. You like and about he used to take my mother from the other shack amise umkhuphini wakhe by force and back then begu ama fence so obviously abomaki they would see wenzakala.
Are you in a relationship at this present moment or how were your past relationships? Of course I mean kuyahlangana kuhlukana kwabantu.
Even now in good relationship but I'm not fully like committed. Like in J just khambisa isikhathi that's all I can say. Angikho like committed in a way ukuthi manje ngaze ngibeke umuntu enhlizweni yami because I can't. Inhliziyo yami seyikhathele.